and this is a series of painting that my father and I are doing together.
We are in the painting workshop of José Antonio Peláez Ochoa, and as you can see, we have all the walls with a bit of the different styles of what I usually do. On one side, we find landscape painting in different techniques, oil technique. There are also landscapes in relief with acrylic technique and paint mixed with marble dust and worked with spatulas. Then we have paintings from many years ago, from 77, which belong to family members. And paintings done outdoors mostly. And in this area, we mainly find a type of conceptual painting done in engraving. Also done using the marble dust technique and in relief, corresponding to concepts of ecological words. They form like a small crosswords in which you have to find the title of the work. There are also drawings. There is watercolor painting. In this area, we also find paintings from the Costa Brava region, even from Pineda, the town. Here, for example, in this painting, I am portrayed with my two eldest grandchildren. We find a painting in which you can see National II and the town of Pineda de Mar. And this area here is almost all watercolors. Watercolors also from the Navarre region.